Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and your English language learning journey is going great. Today I am back with a very important topic. So first of all, I welcome you all to in this new video. I want to speak in English but I don't know how to start and where to begin. If you are facing this type of problem, then this video is especially for you. Because in this video, I am going to share with you some important tips related to how can I start speaking in English, where to begin, everything related to this topic. So watch the video till the end because if you skip the video, you will not be able to understand properly. And if you find my video helpful, then please do subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Now without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number one tip is set your goal. Yeah, set your goal. First of all, to do something in life, it is very important for you to set a goal. And your goal should be always clear, very clear. Like if you want to learn to speak in English and to be able to speak in English fluently, then set this goal and write it. Okay. Until your goal is not clear, where will you put your energy, your potential, and where will you work on it? So first of all, set your goal and work very hard to achieve it. Now come to the second point, and second point is immerse yourself. Yeah, immerse yourself. After set your goal, immerse yourself in the English language environment just like we learnt our mother tongue. Although creating a physical environment in your area, it may be challenging. I can understand, I can feel too, because I was also in this same situation and I also did not have anyone to practice with. And from my experiences, you don't need anyone to practice with. You can practice your English with yourself. You can practice your English alone. You don't need anyone. How? Let me explain you. Nowadays, everyone has a smartphone. So utilize your phone to watch variety of content. But watch that things whatever you are interested in. Because if you are not interested in anything, after some time you will start getting bored. So it is very important to learn any new thing, you take interest in it. So watch that things whatever you are interested in. Like if you are a movie lover, then you can watch movies. If you are a sports lover, then you can watch sports. If you want to watch news, then you can also watch news. If you are a blog, if you want to see blogs, then you can watch blogs also. I mean to say you can watch everything and anything, whatever you are interested in, but watch everything in English. It is very important for learning your English and for your hearing practice. It is very important. And if you have no time for watching anything, then you can listen podcast, stories, news, everything you can listen while doing your work. Point number 3 is reading and understanding. When we read something, it is also important to understand that thing. So please start reading in English as well. If you do not understand big books, you can start with a kids' story books. If you start by kids' storybooks, you will not find there big phrases and big words and you can understand easily because children's storybooks is written in a very easy words to make children understand. So start your reading by kids' storybooks. After that, gradually you can increase your level and you can read big storybooks. Clear? Now come to the fourth point, and fourth point is learn vocabulary. We all know that without vocabulary, we can't speak any language, including English. Because for speaking any language, we have to frame sentences. And for framing sentences, we need words. And for words, we will have to learn vocabulary. I am not saying that you have to learn lots of vocabulary per day. Read only 5 or 3 words per day, but do it regularly. Consistency is important, and after learning vocabulary, utilize that word in your daily life conversation, otherwise you will forget. So this is also a very important tip for speaking English that you should learn vocabulary daily at least 5 or minimum 3. Okay, clear? So friends, these were the 4 important tips for speaking in English. If you want to speak in English, then start following these 4 tips. And if you like my video, then do subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thank you so much for listening me.